Welcome back, welcome back. I know you're thinking, hey Kev, why do you look like that? I'm very hot and I'm very tired, but today's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be an easy one that everyone at some point, any car guy, has ever gone through, and it sucks, and that is scraping, my friend. That is when you scrape that brand new lip of yours right on the ground. So, to show you what I am talking about, this is for a BMW. I forgot what M it is, but it's one of the M's. So, it got bit pretty hard. As you can see, it is bit pretty hard. All of this is missing, as you can see. Now, the plan of attack. What I'm going to do is take some of my gap filler. This is some expanding foam. I got it for $6. It was $6. You know what? I'm tired of giving you guys estimated prices. This was $4.98 from Lowe's. So, $4.98 from Lowe's. The plan of attack. We are going to go from the inside in here, shoot some expanding foam. The way it is going to work, so it's going to push all this out. It's going to be in a rough area to fill in all this. It's going to expand fully out, and then I'm going to take it, sand this whole piece down till it's basically flush with the original design of the lip. And then once that's sanded, I'm going to take some of my fiberglass. I'm going to wrap the fiberglass inside here, inside like the shape of the foam. And once that is sanded down, then I could take the carbon. We're going to lay the carbon in it. And I'm still deciding right now whether this whole lip needs to be recarboned. Because like there are little pieces like this. So I think that's the plan of attack right now. I think we're going to end up recarboning the entire lip just to give it a seamless, flawless look. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right. All right, so my camera cut out right there, but you didn't miss much. It was just me applying my foam. So again, I applied it from the inside so that all of it pushed out. This now is just gonna be sanded off to be the basic shape of this before I then apply my fiberglass and then finish it with the carbon. This is how we are looking. I'm gonna give this time, I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. That's my plan. Let this thing dry overnight. We're gonna pick it up in the morning and you're gonna see me sanding it down. Woo, it is hot. All right, so this is now what we look like. This is the foam. Everything is fully expanded, nice and hard. So what you are going to see is that is going to be trimmed and cut down. It is gonna be sanded down smooth. And then we're gonna, I think, place our first layer of fiberglass today. That's what I'm gonna try and bang out. So once we get that fiberglass down, that'll harden in this shape, in the shape that we're going for here. And then that can just get sanded, and then the carbon fiber can get laid. Let's get into it. All right, so we got the fiberglass laid. This is how we look. I put the peel ply on, so everything is now getting compressed all the way down the way it's supposed to. Back here, what you saw where I was placing the blue tape, there is a very big chew mark, because that's on the bottom. That's where the skid plate is. Naturally, if your car is low, it's just going to be scraping against the ground, kind of like what you see here, except the only difference is right here, there's a very big chunk missing. So I'm trying to recreate that now, so when everything goes to get bolted back up, there's actual, bolt holes to fill from. So that was recreated. This is now going to take a nice long, overnight to dry. Let that dry. It's going to get sanded down. And depending on how we look after it gets sanded, we might just be able to carbon it right after that. And then it's just going to get sanded one more time. And then clear. And that's it. This client will have his lip back. So we're in good shape right now. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.